Thank you to Squarespace for sending us to CES 2017. Miniature high-performance graphics cards have been around for a while now, but were largely popularized by the performance and thermals of the 970 Mini. Now, in 2017, Zotac has introduced an 8.3-inch 1080 Mini. Performance-wise, it's basically the same as a reference card, but with a tiny boost. Its base clock is running at 1620 MHz, and its boost clock is running at 1759 MHz. About 33 MHz higher in terms of boost clock. Video input-wise, it is the same as reference, with 3 DisplayPort 1.4 connectors, 1 HDMI 2.0B connector, and a dual-link DVI connector. For cooling, the fans are actually different. The fan on the left is a 90mm static optimized fan. The fan on the right is a 100mm airflow optimized fan. And the blades on each fan are different to correspond with that. There's a bit more of a curve on the static pressure optimized one. Below that, on the custom PCB, you have a 5+1 power phase design and a standard 180-watt TDP. This card should enable even more people to dive into small but ultra-high performance ITX PCs, which I personally find quite exciting because it's an interesting realm for computers to go into. And I will say the price is unknown, but is speculated to be somewhere around the cost of a reference card. And for thermals, at load, it should be about 74 degrees. Also, if you're looking at aesthetic stuff, there are white lights on the card, and the front shroud and the back are both metal. And next up, we have the VRGo backpack, which is a much more elegant solution to tether-free VR. Instead of that kind of like thrown together laptop on your back thing that I've done in the past, this is actually easy to use and can be used as a standard desktop as well, which is rather cool. It includes 2 hot swappable spots for batteries. You can remove one at a time to keep the system running completely if you want to have one charging and one in the unit like we do now. Or if you get a whole another set of batteries, you could run 2 in the backpack for 2 hours of play and have 2 charging, which takes 2 hours to charge, and swap those in and out for continuous play. It has spots built in for all your gear, so you can have your controllers in nice little holding spots on the side as well as your cable, and you can even hang your headset off of the clip on the other side as well. If you do want to convert it into desktop mode, it's a relatively easy process. Just take the backpack off, lay it down somewhere like this conveniently placed table, pull up the Velcro tab, turn the dial into the unlocked position, slide downwards, and the backpack portion comes off. To put it back on, it's the exact same process but in reverse. Lay the backpack portion down, slide it up, turn the dial, put the Velcro thing down, and you're done. If you're looking into building a website, check out Squarespace. They have a whole bunch of different modules, like their commerce module where you can sell things on their website, their cover page module where you can have one beautiful like Web 2.0 stylized website, and they have responsive design. So your website will look great on whatever device you view it on, a desktop, laptop, phone, tablet, whatever. It's all good. I've even seen Squarespace websites on watches, so I think you're handled there. They have 24/7 live chat and email support if you need help with your website, and you can start your free trial today, no credit card required. Go to squarespace.com/CES and enter CES17 as your code to get 10% off your first purchase.